welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mama Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. Today, we're working on our paid member project. This was won by Ann Hayward, and it gets to go all the way over to the islands, and I'm very excited that she won it and what her choices were, because the options you get when you're a paid member of our guild member site. So if you go www.wesewit.com, you can join us there for a small fee. You get an extra video as well as all the videos early, and you get a chance to win the project that we work on with that extra video. And we're going to start a new one very shortly. So this was called Weave It Be Vibrant Colors, and it came together quite nicely. And she chose a kind of a marbly gray background with teal thread, so it pops up on both sides. It looks absolutely gorgeous. And here's a little glimpse of it. We're almost done. I think we're over halfway there. Halfway there, exactly. So let's go and finish it off. Start quilting. Walt's going to move all the way over there. Hope everybody's having a great Wednesday. Love the beautiful solid colors in this. We did one as a, I think they were transition colors at the beginning of 2019, and ended up being a wedding gift, belated wedding gift for my nephew and his wife. And they really like it. So this is a paisley feather stitch out. Of course, it was her choice. We had lots of ones to choose from, and of course a bunch of thread. So it's just going to putter around a little slowly, making the beautiful little leafy shapes, and then a kind of a paisley sort of shape as well. And it's going to make its way from one end to the other. I think it looks beautiful. And that thread is just so bright and beautiful against the white and all the colors. So it's going to look lovely. Can't wait to see it like on the couch or something, and it's the cuddle blanket. Or the napping blanket. Yeah, this came together over a couple of months. We do a bit of showing how to cut the quilt project, how to start it, and then the process in between, and then the ending, and getting all the blocks together, and then the borders, and then of course we draw the winner, and then they of course get a chance to pick all the backing, the batting, the thread, the stitch out, how dense, how not dense. I mean, it's options are endless, so we really try to reward those people who help us out, and we greatly appreciate it. So these are just some of the ways that we try to say thank you. You don't have to be a paid member to join the Guild website. You're more than welcome to join and just share your items, your pictures, what you've got going on craft-wise, gardening, baking, whatever makes you happy. There's lots going on in this world today, and we just kind of need some of those things to just pick us up and keep us going. And sharing and other people's passions, not necessarily just fabric or long arming or quilting or anything like that. It's the joys of everything in everyday life. Isn't that beautiful? I love those two colors, are like one of my favorites together. And then some of the greens and the purples I really like together as well, depending on the tones. So I changed it up because I liked some colors more than others together. So it's not exactly the way it was on the pattern. I'm allowed. It's my block. I can tweak it. Well, we're going to let you watch Walt finish stitching out this beautiful feather paisley. So congratulations, Anne, and thank you everybody who participates in the paid member section of our Guild website. We greatly appreciate your help. Send you big hugs, and we will see you on the weekend project, as well as we got a 12-hour live stream coming. I'm so excited. Yay, 12 hours on the 25th of April. So please join us, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And we've got some bags to make. We've got some baking we're going to do. We haven't quite decided exactly what we're going to be baking or making. But I said we need dinner, so why don't we just make dinner? We'll figure out what dinner's going to be. Maybe crepes. Figure it out. Uh-oh, here's trouble. So take care, everybody. Have a fantastic day, and we will see you very soon. Take care. you.